So let's study the construction of lens. So before studying the ray diagram for the formation of image by a concave or a convex lens, first you need to learn how to draw this lens in your notebook. So in your notebook there are so many horizontal lines are given. So you will consider one of the horizontal line in your notebook as the principal axis. Remember, never draw a line in between the two lines that may be inclined. So what I will suggest you guys to draw principal axis on one of the reference line. So let's say this is a principal axis and this is also a principal axis, and first of all at the center of that line you can mark point O, which is called as optical center. So here this point is called as optical center, and from this optical center O 2 centimeter to the left using measurement, and further 2 centimeter mark 2 points which will be F2 and 2F2, and on the left side also mark 2 centimeter as well as 2 centimeter which will give you F1 and 2F1. Now through O draw an optic axis. So this will be your optic axis. So this is how you draw a convex lens. In the same way, for this point O, you can take 2 centimeter to the left and again 2 centimeter to the left, 2 centimeter to the right and again 2 centimeter to the right, which will give you point F2, 2F2 and then F1 and 2F1, and then through O draw an optic axis which is perpendicular to principal axis. So remember, any construction of image of an object, right, can be done with this ray diagram without drawing the curved surface. That means if on this diagram you mark F2 and 2F2 on the right side and F1 and 2F1 on the left side, it will be considered as convex lens. And if on the diagram if you mark F2 and 2F2 on the left side and F1 and 2F1 on the right side, it will be considered as a concave lens. And any refraction of a ray will be considered from this optic axis. Let's say if this is the incident ray, okay, then definitely it will pass through F2. We are aware of this rule. And if, let's say if this is the incident ray, then definitely it will appear to be diverging from F2. Did you see this? So even without drawing the lens, you can draw this ray diagram, and if you draw the ray diagram properly, after that, if required, you can draw the curved surface. So for convex it will be like this, it should be very thin, and for concave it will be like this, or you can use protractor to draw these curved surfaces.